Hello everyone, in this video I'll be doing a review of the Starbucks banana loaf bread. So this is a big thick piece of banana bread and it's got about 360 calories I believe for one slice, 49 grams of carbohydrates and 5 protein. This is a big piece of bread. It's thick, you can get it warmed, and there is cinnamon in this as well, and everything else that goes into making banana bread. So I'm excited to try this out. I've actually never had the banana bread from Starbucks before, so this is gonna be my first time trying this out. It smells like kind of like bran muffin or any type of healthy muffin, but I'm gonna try it out. Very soft and moist. Ooh. And the cinnamon's really nice in that. Wow. That's better than I thought. It doesn't have the same doesn't really have the bread texture. It's more of a cakey, like, I think this is like a banana cinnamon cake. Really good though. There's a lot of cinnamon in that. I'm a big fan of cinnamon. It kind of masks the taste. Very cool. Yeah. It's a mild amount of sweetness. It tastes like banana, but it's mostly cinnamon. This would go really good with coffee. Too bad I already drank mine. Oh, it's interesting. One more bite, and I'll give my final review, because I'd probably eat this all right in front of everyone. Pretty sweet. There's little like cinnamon ribbons in it. They stick together. Yeah, that was really well done. It's very sweet and cake-like in texture. It's got like a little crust there, and on the inside it's a soft cake or a soft bread. It tastes like cake. That was honestly quite good. It's sweet, but not very strong in the sweetness. It's like a very mild sweetness. Really nice cinnamon. Oh, that was good tasting. I would give this banana bread a 7.5 out of 10. It's pretty good banana bread. Probably the best I've ever had. Good amounts of cinnamon flavor in it. Not overpoweringly sweet. Just the right amount of sweetness and everything. And I bet this would go amazing with coffee. Again, sad that I already drank mine because I feel like this pairs well with it with all the cinnamon flavors. So banana bread from Starbucks. It's pretty good. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like and subscribe button below. And I will see you in the next video.